What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a ABS splitter on the back of the Eclipse to match the front and side arrow, and Andre and Blade are here doing LS tings, so that will be you in love with your LS yet?
Yeah, except for that power steering line.
But yeah, we're doing a rear diffuser on the Eclipse, and I think the plan as of now is to chop all the top part out. Andre, your power steering pump, dude. What the fuck? But yeah, so this is ABS plastic. You can get it at any industrial plastic store. This is 4x8. Oh my god, shut the fuck up!
I'm sorry.
So we got the car jacked up. We've been trying to envision a splitter for this thing, but it's very difficult right now, considering the bumper is not like any other normal bumper. It comes with Supras and RX-7s and stuff like that with their crazy diffusers. They don't have the exhaust in the bumper. All their exhausts come out underneath the bumper, and this bumper sits stupid low already. So we're either going to do a bumper tuck and build a diffuser, or we're going to chop out a piece of the middle of the bumper and build off of that. We shall see.
Hey, look at that.
Blade is just going along and cleaning up the cuts there, so we can get flush measurements for the arrow pan, the main part of the splitter. Just once we have those measurements, we're going to go ahead and throw this stuff on a pallet and start cutting it. Meanwhile, Andre's still doing brakes and rotors on the LS. So me and Blade got the arrow pen all bent up now, and now we just have to take some height off of it so we can fit it underneath the car. Mark these corners, and we'll go ahead and sand them down. So that way, basically, I'll go until I stop seeing chalk. You don't want to use paint marker on this textured ABS because it won't come off. So make sure you use chalk or something not as abrasive. I rounded off it for now, just to give it the hard line. I might take off more later on, but as for now, that's good. So I got the main part of the diffuser done now, the aero pan with the winglets. I took a lot of time on these to make sure they were even. Took my measurements like 10 times over. Man, that's aggressive. I love it. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and mock up some stuff for going from the aero pan out to the sides. Maybe do some winglets on the sides to match the front winglets. I'm not too sure how I feel about this yet. I'm gonna play around with some more stuff. So we went ahead and bent the winglet upwards, and I like that look a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this and then duplicate the other side. But yeah, I like it for now. I'll probably end up changing it later on in the future, but I like the way it looks. It's super aggressive, and it will definitely go with what else I have coming for this thing very soon. Hopefully the next mod, fingers crossed, that we can make it happen. Andre lowered the LS again. We might mount the BBSs, we don't know yet. We're fucking around with some wheels. There's gonna be another video on part 2 of the LS here pretty soon. But he did all kinds of maintenance. He changed out that power steering pump like we were talking about in the last video. And he did all the brakes and rotors, a lot of maintenance stuff. Changed out some lines. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take some more shots when we take this thing out tomorrow. It makes the thing look like super low still.
Another late night.
As usual. You might notice those brackets are silver, but you can't see the other ones because I did them black. I'm gonna go ahead and do them all black.